Dear students, in my last video I explained you the Nazi world view. In that I explained you that establishment of racial state was there. Uh, so in that only the society of pure Nordic Aryans were welcomed by the Nazi party, or you can say by Hitler. Racial utopia was also the part of Nazi world. नाजी वर्ल्ड का रेशियल यूटोपिया भी एक इमेजिनेशन था. इसमें आपका देखो जेनोसिडल वॉर बिकेम टू कॉइन ऑफ वॉर फॉर जर्मन्स. एक्चुअली फॉर जर्मन पीपल they have to face two different wars. War, the First World War, which they were facing only, and the war in between the country also. That was by the killing of the German peoples, those who were not felt as the pure Nordic Aryans. So they were termed as the people who were killed. They were the Jews, the gypsies, or the black people, or the unwanted people, those who were not physically fit. So they all were killed. So Nazi ideology was believed in racial hierarchy. Hierarchy here means Hitler believed that the persons who should be in the part of Germany was the only one those who belong to the Nordic Alliance age only, or those who were the predecessors of that community. Jews and gypsies and black people, they were not, according to him, according to Hitler, they were not the part of the pure Germans. So German at top, Jews were at the lowest. Now is your youth in Nazi Germany. So in this also new concept was added by Hitler. Schools were pleasant and purified. So schools were pleasant and purified means the teachers who were Jews or were seen as politically unreliable. Unreliable means untrustable. So they all were dismissed from the school. Children were also even segregated, means separated. Germans and Jews, they could not sit together or play together. So these kind of differences were created in the mind of the small children also by Hitler only, because what he actually wants to as his society be the best one. उसकी सोसाइटी जो है वो सबसे अच्छी सोसाइटी हो. सो गुड जर्मन, एक्चुअली फॉर हिम गुड जर्मन्स चिल्ड्रन वर सब्जेक्ट टू बी प्रोसेस ऑफ नाजी स्कूलिंग, कि जो अच्छे जर्मन वाले हैं वही सिर्फ नाजी जर्मन के पार्ट हों. और ज्यूज एंड gypsies thrown out of school. So the students of Jews and gypsies, earlier they were not permitted to sit along with the Nordic Aryans, and later on they were even thrown out of the school. So ideological training for good Germans were also there. गुड जर्मन के लिए उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग भी शुरू कर दी, और उस ट्रेनिंग में यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस वर ऑल्सो मेड. ट्रेनिंग के लिए उन्होंने देखिए क्या किया था. 10 years old and had to enter जंग वोक एक वर्ड है यहाँ पर. एक स्पेशल उसने एक तरह का स्कूल बनाया हुआ था, नाजी यूथ ग्रुप आप कह सकते हो, फॉर चिल्ड्रन बिलो 14 ईयर्स ऑफ एज. तो उसमें उन जो अच्छे प्योर नॉर्डिक आर्यन जो थे उनको उसमें पार्टिसिपेट करना ही पड़ता था 10 ईयर्स की एज के बाद. सो एट 14 ऑल बॉयज़, और उसके बाद जब 14 ईयर्स के वो हो जाते थे, दे हैड टू ज्वाइन द नाजी यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो कि हिटलर की ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस होती थी. वहाँ पर उनको क्या सिखाया जाता था, टू वर्शिप वॉर, कि वॉर को आपने पूजा करनी है. ग्लोरीफाई एग्रेशन एंड वायलेंस, हिंसा को और एग्रेशन, अपने गुस्से को बढ़ाना है, चमकाना है. कंडेम डेमोक्रेसी, और डेमोक्रेसी के बिल्कुल खिलाफ रहना है. और ज्यूज़, कम्युनिस्ट और जिप्सीज, इन सबको हेट करना है. क्यों करना है, क्योंकि दे आर द अनडिज़ायरेबल पीपल, कि उनकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है जर्मनी में. सो दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वर बीन taught to the children, small children. And for this Hitler has taken one more topic also, one more heading also I can explain you, the Nazi cult of motherhood. So in motherhood also, like whosoever lady is going to deliver a baby, so they were even awarded उनको कई बार अवार्ड भी दिए जाते थे अगर वो किसी हेल्दी और अच्छे बेबी को बॉर्न करते हैं तो, बर्थ देते हैं तो। और अगर कोई मदर किसी बीमार या फिर आप कह सकते हो कोई विकलांग तरह का अगर कोई बच्चे को जन्म देते हैं तो उनको वो पनिश भी करता था, ठीक है। इवन गर्ल्स को उनकी एडोलेसेंस एज से ही उनको सिखाया जाता था कि उनको बड़े होकर अच्छी माँ बनना है, अच्छी सीख देने वाले लोगों बच्चों को अच्छे आप कह सकते हो शक्तिशाली और अच्छे माइंड वाले बच्चों को ही पैदा करना है। So these kind of things were the part of Nazism only. All these things they were first of all they were just participating in the World War. Second World War was also there under the leadership of Hitler. So this was also the main cause of the destruction of Germany. And the second one, the important thing was the killing of the Jews and the unwanted, undesirable communities within the German, whom Hitler was not favored और फेवरिंग। हिटलर जिसको पसंद नहीं कर रहा था उनको भी मरवाने का जो काम था, ये दोनों ही साइड से जो जर्मन का एक्चुअल में जो लॉस था दैट टुक प्लेस। सो दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. Hope you have understood and even